Welcome back, Home Slices. In this video, we're learning how to solve for x. Now, all throughout math, you're going to be getting questions where you have to solve for an unknown number. How many watermelons did Mary get from the market or something? So being able to solve for x is not a math topic. It's a crucial math skill, and understanding it perfectly will be a huge help moving forward. Let's start out with one very basic concept. If you do the same thing to both sides of an equation, it will remain true. For example, 5 equals 5. If I were to add 2 to one side, that is no longer true, as 7 does not equal 5. But if we added 2 to both sides, we would see that 7 equals 7, which is true. So what if we had an unknown? Let's take x equals 4. If we added 2 to both sides, we'd get x plus 2 equals 6. When a question is presented like this, your job is to isolate x so we know what it equals to, or solve for x. In this case, we'd be working backwards from what we just did by subtracting 2 from both sides. X plus 2 minus 2 equals 6 minus 2. So x equals 4. Let's put this in a game example. I have 150 gold, and I want to buy something that is 238 gold. How much gold do I need to find to buy the thing? This may seem simple, but this is essentially basic algebra, and it can be written like this. This says 150 plus something equals 238, and we're going to solve for that something. Right now, if we look at it mathematically, that x has 150 being added to it. So let's do the opposite by taking away 150 from both sides. This eliminates 150 on the left-hand side, leaving x by itself. We've solved for x, and it equals 88. Another example. I had a certain amount of health, and I got hit by a frying pan a bunch of times and lost 32 health. I'm now at 43 health. How much health did I start with? Again, look what's happening to the x. It is having 32 subtracted from it. So let's do the opposite to both sides by adding 32. This eliminates the number on the left side, isolating x and showing us that it equals 75. Now in all of these examples so far, we've been using addition and subtraction, but the same thing applies to multiplication and division. Mercy has been healing me for 4 seconds, and I gained 220 health. How much does she heal me per second? Divide both sides by 4. X equals 55. My party took down a boss and split the experience points 3 ways. We each got 155 experience. How much experience did the boss give altogether? Multiply both sides by 3, and x equals 465. Now things will get more complicated when you start adding in more operations at once, like 3x minus 6 equals 10, but we're going to be covering that in the next video. But until then, keep studying, keep gaming, keep learning.